Splitting firewood just got a whole lot smarter. On this episode of Titan Tech, we're showcasing tools that make tough tasks a breeze. Let's jump in. What's truly impressive is how it manages such speed without sacrificing safety or precision. Each log is processed with clockwork accuracy, as if the machine has an instinct for splitting wood perfectly every time. It's like having a lumberjack on turbo mode, capable of turning a day's work into mere minutes. This cone splitter, mounted on the Ferguson tractor, is an interesting blend of old-school engineering and modern innovation. The concept is straightforward yet effective, using the rotational force of the tractor's PTO to drive the cone through the wood. But the drive shaft angle seems to be pushing its limits here, almost like a dancer trying to bend beyond their natural range. The Jensen H40 mechanical log splitter is a prime example of how power and precision can come together. This machine doesn't just split wood, it dominates it, breaking logs with a smooth, confident efficiency. However, that level of force is a double-edged axe. It's fast and effective, but also demands respect and caution. The Economy Power King buzzsaw is like a classic symphony of mechanical engineering. Its simple design and raw power still resonate with loggers today. With a tractor like the Power King driving the saw, it's an excellent example of how old-school methods can still get the job done. Let's talk about speed, safety, and simplicity, the three pillars of any great firewood saw. This double saw design nails all three. It feels like someone took the best aspects of a rocking saw, made it faster, safer, and easier to use, and handed it to the world of firewood processing. Respect for the craftsmanship here. A homemade wood chipper is no small feat. But let's talk about safety. Gloves are like seat belts for your hands. Skipping them might seem fine, but one moment of carelessness can change everything. Build, innovate, but most importantly, stay safe out there. chainsaw stand like this is a game changer for firewood preparation. By providing stability and reducing strain, it transforms the task into something far safer and more efficient. It's like adding a sturdy anchor to a stormy sea. Control becomes effortless. This 9-ton log splitter mounted on a tractor is not just a machine. It's a game changer. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's designed for those who value precision. 2 speeds give you all the control you need for any log size, and its European standards mean it's as safe as it is efficient. The Multitech 3040XP2 is a powerhouse when it comes to processing big logs like Western Jarrah in Australia. With its 72-inch circular saw, it can easily handle the dense, tough grain of this hardwood, delivering precise, clean cuts. The 18 feet 6 inches live deck is a game changer, providing the necessary support and movement of large logs without the need for manual handling. When you talk about power in wood processing, it's like comparing a sprinter to a marathoner. Both have their strengths, but they're suited for different tasks. The Bansek Sepik Knees Palalula with a 4 kilowatt motor is like a sprinter, offering impressive speed for logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter. And when it comes to CPAC, well, there are no limits. It's the marathoner, steady and capable of taking on bigger tasks without breaking a sweat. When it comes to splitting wood, nothing beats the reliability of a homemade wood splitter. It's like the backbone of your entire operation. Strong, dependable, and always ready for action. Unlike mass-produced machines, a homemade splitter is built with personal knowledge and understanding of exactly what you need. It can handle the toughest logs, whether you're splitting firewood for a small cabin or a larger operation. It's amazing to see children getting involved in woodcutting, especially when they have the chance to help their grandfather. It's like passing down a tradition, one that teaches them not only the skills of the trade, but also the value of hard work. While this vertical cutter is equipped with safety mechanisms, it still requires a great deal of attention. It's like a sharp sword, incredibly effective, but it demands respect and care. When it comes to homemade machines, the semi-automatic wood splitter is a standout. It's like a puzzle that's been expertly put together, piece by piece. The Kulno Loot doesn't rely on flashy features. It's the core functionality that makes it shine. It's one of those machines that people often overlook, but once you see it in action, you realize just how efficient and effective it truly is. Impressive doesn't even begin to cover it. That modern automated cutting machine is a true marvel of engineering. It handles a whole truckload of wood with ease, saving time, energy, and manpower in the process. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. Each cut made at just the right moment and without a hitch. This machine is a perfect example of how modern design meets efficiency. The continuously rotating drum is a brilliant mechanism, feeding logs into the cutting mechanism seamlessly. It's like a conveyor belt for logs, but with much more precision and power. The simplicity of the design is what really makes it stand out. It doesn't need a large crew, just one skilled operator, and yet it can cut wood with remarkable speed and consistency. When I see a machine like this, I can't help but think of it as the unsung hero of the farm. Much like a woodpecker tirelessly working at a tree, this machine chugs away, breaking down materials with ease. The diesel engine, a silent powerhouse just like the trees themselves, slowly but surely providing the strength to power through tough jobs. And that conveyor system, it's like the perfect partner, always there to move things along efficiently and smoothly. The lesser-rubbed two-headed splitter is not just a machine. It's a powerhouse that turns hard work into a high-speed operation. It's like having the muscle of two people working at once, which means you get the job done quicker and more efficiently. If you're looking for a splitter that combines top-tier power with user-friendly features, the Lankman ST21C is a clear choice. The 21 tons of splitting force are impressive, but it's the smart additions, like the radio-controlled cable winch and the log lifter, that make this machine stand out. The convenience of remotely controlling the winch makes positioning logs a breeze, while the robust lifting mechanism makes even the heaviest logs manageable. The Pinoza EPC 480 is the ideal machine for large-scale wood processing operations. It's powerful, efficient, and precise. Whether you're working with small logs or larger, tougher pieces, this machine handles it all with ease. The addition of both cutting and splitting functions along with the automated stacking system makes it one of the most efficient machines on the market. The backbone of any successful sawmill operation is its machinery. But when it comes to homemade sawmills, you're really bringing the lumberjack's heart to life. It's like crafting a fine bow from a single piece of wood. Patience, skill, and creativity.
That's our first.
In the world of forestry, efficiency is key, and the Moorbark PS8 is the definition of efficiency when it comes to peeling cedar posts. It's like a well-oiled machine that never falters, always delivering that clean, smooth finish. If you've been splitting firewood by hand for a while, you know how exhausting it can be. That's where the chain and bungee firewood splitting method comes in. By far, one of the most effective and efficient manual methods out there. The concept is surprisingly simple but incredibly effective. Using the power of a chain and bungee cords to split logs with minimal effort. The bungee helps to generate the tension needed to split the wood, while the chain secures the log in place, ensuring safety and precision.
We'll edit that out. Anything a foot and above diameter, best, but so you can step, you can whack it.
Wow, this is the best bucking rack I have seen. If you had fun watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech adventures. Thanks for being here. See you next time on Titan Tech.